Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great and thank you for your support. If you're new to the channel, of course, be sure to subscribe so that you can see more videos like this where we trade minimalist. So we keep it simple by analyzing the market easily and with simple indicators. In this case, I'm looking at the Euro US dollar on a 4-hour time frame with two indicators, the bottom stop signal and the RSI Exhaustion. You can try them both along with more available on our suite. You find the link in the description down below to test them yourself. So what I'm looking at is this downtrend here. And let me draw some trend lines for you. So what happened recently is that we got an uptrend here. Okay, and then we got a downtrend from this point up to here, and then what I'm looking for is another uptrend about the same size of this one, so it should be the same length. Why I'm looking for it? And I am about to enter my trade because as you can see down here we have the RSI which is improving. It is increasing. On the other hand, the price is decreasing. This is the first rule in order to have a setup, to have divergence between the price and the RSI. So in this case the price goes down, the RSI is going up. The second rule is to have the RSI exhausted so that it is red, and this is the color that our RSI exhaustion gives to the RSI. So that's the extra information that you get with the RSI exhaustion. It is exhausted because you see that it's red down here, and also it is red when we got this bottom here. And the bottom is the third rule. So the first rule is to have divergence between the price and the RSI, and we have it. The second rule is to have the RSI exhausted, and the third rule is to have a bottom. And we have all these three rules. So we can place our order. So the order will look like this. I will buy here. Why didn't I place the order before? Well, I was looking for some extra confirmation of this being a bottom. So I just waited. As you can see, you got a bottom here, and then the bottom was confirmed at the close of this candle. You should always wait for the close of the next candle so that you are sure that the previous bottom or top is confirmed. So it was confirmed at the close of this candle, which is lower than the previous candle. So I just prefer to wait a bit more, and then I got another candle here and another one which went past the previous levels. So I decided to enter here. So I'm now setting the entry price at around this level, and I will set the stop loss to be a bit below the lowest point, the lowest recent point, which is this one. So I will say that the stop loss level is about here, okay? And then the target is up here. It's a bit higher. Okay, I think this will do. Okay, so this is our trade. If you look closer and if you paid attention, you might have realized that we also had a very interesting opportunity here, because we had two tops here, one and the other, but the price was increasing and the RSI was decreasing, and we also had exhaustion, and we also had the top here. So you could have sold this setup here. Unfortunately I didn't, simply because I did not see this So I just skipped the opportunity because I didn't see the opportunity. But this is the kind of trades that I usually trade, because I mean, this one, you see the price goes down, and this is very similar but on the opposite side, and the price should likely go up, and I'm expecting a movement like ABC, so 1 2 3, and we reach the target. The price is moving quite rapidly, just like in the uptrend before, which should be a further indication that we can expect a similar movement. I see that the RSI has become exhausted here, but it doesn't bother me too much, because in the end the price is increasing, and so the RSI might increase as well, even further than this, and it can maintain its exhaustion level for a prolonged period of time, just maybe like happened here. You see, it started to be exhausted here, which was not even halfway. It's about 1/4 of the whole uptrend, so it doesn't bother me too much. We just need to be a bit more patient. We just reached the target, and see what happened to the RSI. Just as I said before, the RSI can stay overbought and exhausted as well for a prolonged period of time, and the price could continue to grow without giving any sign of being kind of exhausted. So in this case, the price went straight up without any kind of sideways movement. The overall return is, I'd say, exceptional, because it is almost a 6.5x return. So it means that we could potentially lose the next 6.5 trades and still be profitable. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? I mean, we are not going to lose the next 6.5 trades. So it is certain that over a long period of time we are profitable, because we are just, with one single trade, we just covered a potential 6 losing trades. It's amazing. It's amazing. And with this kind of setup, you always should expect returns in the area of let's say 3 to 4, maybe 5. But when you are able to achieve a 6.5 like this one, is really amazing. And this was pretty obvious, because it was at least pretty predictable. Of course, in the markets you are never certain of anything, but this was pretty predictable, because this kind of movement, it's a 1 2 3, so it happens quite frequently. And since we had a very nice selling opportunity here, and then a very similar opportunity on the opposite side, this was true because the price went down. So this was very likely to be an actual opportunity, and in fact we got a 6.5x return. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe if you didn't already. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.